Alright guys, so first we are going to make the center plate over here, like the plate to hold the engine and to hold the gearbox. So let's just move this thing out and get the die of this area so that I could just bolt it over here. Let's just remove this first. It's kind of hard. Okay, over with the clutch, level it out. Okay, it's out. I really need to get a drill press because every time I ruin the hole, that's what. I can't just tighten this thing up completely because the clutch plate needs to be adjustable, so I can just put the gear inside because this is not exactly center, the clutch plate. So to get that center I need to leave this thing loose, so when it goes in I can just go ahead and tighten this thing up. I think so I have tightened up a bit the clutch plate, maybe because of that it's not going inside. So let's just see by loosening up the clutch. Now it is loosened up. Oh my god. It came in and even my hand came in. Yes, I need to make 2 more of these. I was out of round stock, so I didn't make it. So still there's 2 more to, like 1 over this side and 1 over that side. So total 8 are there. I have just made and installed just 6 of them. I need to install 2 more because I want this thing to be strong enough. And yes, I'm going to weld this thing, this bush welded over here onto the plate, so I don't have to reassemble and move everything out and like this. So I'll just strengthen this thing up later on, but first of all I'm going to assemble up the engine completely and yes, fire this thing up and see how it is running the gearbox. Just testing purpose only. I'm going to run this thing. let's just clean this thing up. मारो मारो किक साइड पर नीचे सीधा हाँ क्या कर रहा था आप शॉप को तो सेट करो ना स्टार्ट करो ना इसको हाँ पीछे बाहर इसलिए इसको क्या है बांध के रखना ना किसी चीज में ताकि ये Finally guys, we got the engine running and the gearbox spinning. Everything is working perfect. I wasn't able to keep this thing start because the carburetor wasn't clean, and even the vibration of the engine, it was running here and there. And yes, I have kept some wood planks underneath it, so it will just control a better vibration, but nothing is happening. It's just going here and there. So instead of doing testing it like this, I'm thinking to get this thing mounted over somewhere and test it. So let's just begin the building of the frame of the buggy, and yes, start building up everything so that this thing will be mounted properly, and we can test this thing perfect. Like we can test the gears also and the clutch and everything. We can test this thing, like we need time so that this thing should be steady, and we can test out the gears, like whether this engine is going to run the gears properly or not. So that thing. And yes, I was thinking to use this frame, but because of the less travel at the front, I'm thinking to cancel up this frame and build off my own. Yeah, this is Chinese buggy's frame, the Chinese buggy, from which I robbed out the part for the BMW. So instead of building this thing, I'm just thinking to build off my own to get this like long travel suspension at the front and the back, and even go for 2-seaters. So hopefully in the next video we'll start building up the frames, and we'll figure out a way to build up the arms and everything. hopefully. Let's see. Let's begin up the frame first. So I get to end this video over here. If you enjoyed my video, please hit that subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out any of my videos. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.